Hi guys, so this is the last video of our Ahmedabad trip vlogs. This is day 3. Hope you'll enjoyed the other two. Hi guys, it's day 3 and today we are leaving for Akshardham temple, Swaminarayan temple, and then we plan to go to Kakaria Zoo if possible and then the Kakaria lake. So yes, come follow me through the day. Look at the number of kakaras. Wow. We are doing some papad shopping over here for the hubby. Papad khao. Yes. And now we are taking some papad. Ahmedabad आया और खखरा पापड़ नहीं लिया तो क्या लिया? What have you bought?
We came for papad shopping, so we took everything except for papad.
Except for papad. Papad was also we took.
No, papad we
Ratlami
papad
sev,
we
then nylon wafer, then makai chuda, papad lua, papad, tikha fryams, everything. All nashta.
hopefully we have space. Quickly white गाड़ी.
We have reached Gandhinagar.
Yes.
Lot of greenery and all white cars. Oh, again 3 white cars. Is it a thing? Why having a white car?
They are all white cars only.
Gandhinagar people, whoever watching, let us know. Is it a thing to have a white
Yeah,
car?
because they are Nanda Gandhi. So he's wearing white.
Oh
So
my God.
even the cars are white.
Please excuse him for his logic. Very clean and wide roads. Very impressed.
Speed.
Hi
So-
guys, I am at
Akshardham
place?
temple.
Yes, I am at Akshardham temple. Unfortunately, I won't be able to shoot for you guys because
You can see it out
mobiles
here.
are not
Nothing.
allowed.
All these
Nothing is
items are not allowed.
So you have to submit our mobiles. So yes, I'll enjoy and I'll share my experience verbally. No option. Bye-bye. This is such a big market for chania cholis. Just outside Akshardham. I could not show you all Akshardham, but yeah, y'all can see this at least.
How was your experience in Akshardham?
In a way, it was good that the mobile was not there, so we had a very peaceful and a good family time as well. Otherwise, people are stuck in their mobiles. So it was very peaceful, very good.
Family there?
All 90s. What do you say? Fantasies, 90s fantasies.
Yes.
Kakadi and
Kachekeri and
Kachigeri. And look at that Variali, green Variali. Imli. Guys, we have entered the Kakaria lake and look at this view. It's such a pleasant sunset view. I guess we wanted to go for the Kakaria Zoo, but it's a little bit late. Let's see if we get to go. Oh my God! Look at these. There are babies. हाँ ना मुंबई monkeys लाल मोड़ा वाला. So mom finally got the ticket, yay, for the zoo. And see the happy face of her child.
Look at them. Are you gonna
ये जो भारती ले जा क्यों हाथ लेना. Face monkeys now these. Oh my, look at him. Look at him.
What's up? Hey.
राज होय
Hi.
तारी राज होतो तो क्या रे हाउस है वीडियो. ए इतना नहीं कर बेटा. हाउस है. And these are black face monkeys. We are not trying to sound like a racist, but just trying to differentiate.
Black face monkeys.
Yeah.
Common language.
Yeah. So many monkeys. Yeah, so many monkeys. Always eating. There's so many monkeys. Quick, quick. Here are bats. Maybe it won't come on camera, but these are bats. Oh my god, they're coming down. Cockatiel.
Tiger lion पण
Peahens. Yeah, with no feathers. Peacock. Peacock nahi lagto. Thought peacock was not there, but he is there. Peacock. Peacock. Hi peacock. Emu. 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 Peacock over here. Then peafowl.
पंख फैलाओ.
भाव खायचे બધા તે બીવીને ના મને
No one wants to do rain dance.
these are
Footage આપો આવી.
these are African crowned cranes.
What's up?
You can see the crown on his head.
કેવું છે?
Parrots. Alexandrian parrot. Maybe sleep. અરે સીધો થઈ ગયો છે. બહાર આવું છે.
Head देखा है तारा.
રેડ વાળો head. મીઠું. These are sambar. Look at the horns.
ફેદર જો કેટલા મોટા છે શું છે આ?
Greater, it's a stork. Stork.
અરે વ્હાઈટ તો જો પણ હોય મસ્ત.
अच्छा kites પણ છે.
નોર્થ ઇન્ડિયન બાંગ્લાદેશ મ્યાનમાર અને કંબોડિયા.
Look at their beak.
એની બીક જો
Such big.
લાંબી આગળ ઊભો છે એની તો બીક જો
Big जो
એવું છે.
neck પણ એટલું લાંબુ. Star turtles. Actually, these are endangered species. You're not allowed to. It's illegal to have it at home. But yeah, some people do have it. Each of them is pretty expensive. Rat snake. That is a green anaconda. Oh wow. It's coming down. It's the spectacled cobra. It's venomous. There is another one here. It's the Indian rock python. It's non-venomous though. Size of this python. If this probably strangulates you, you're not gonna move an inch.
I love Kakaria. हाँ. Enjoying Kakaria? How was the zoo?
The way we missed the lions and tigers, we were a little late. But let's see, we're trying to go to
Ahmedabad has to keep something to call you for the next time. So, so you come next time again very soon.
See you soon.
It's Saturday and we got Hanumanji right in front of us. It's Kakaria Lake or Kakaria Talao as we say in Gujarati. It's so developed, guys. The biggest tourism attraction in Ahmedabad right now. Must visit. There are like zoos, two types of zoos. One is a normal zoo and one is a nocturnal zoo, which is a night zoo as well. And you also have boating over here. And even if you want to eat, there are so many stalls. There are buggies carrying you. Then there are buggy service. Then there is train service also used to be there, but it's not there now.
છેક સુધી જ છે.
Ah.
લઈ જાઓ.
We are at Kakaria.
Yes.
Look how beautiful this is. Must visit when you come to Mumbai.
Yeah, it's quite a big stretch.
Okay, yeah. This is the nocturnal, India's first nocturnal zoo. Nocturnal zoo. Hyena.
Striped hyena.
See her. Hi, Jack. There are two leopards over here. They're not facing towards us, but they are. These two.
Flying fox.
This is a nocturnal zoo, India's first nocturnal zoo in Kakaria. One of its kind. All the animals and the birds which are nocturnal as in which are awake in the night, you can see them. These are all nocturnal birds. Heron.
Night heron. The nocturnal zoo. That's the leopard.
Yes, that's a leopard sleeping. So we don't want to disturb him.
Yeah.
You want the leopard to get up for you? Will you get up for someone?
Yes.
No, you don't. So even he won't. When he wants his 8 hours of sleep.
No. But yeah, right now his sleep should be over. That's
He
why we
sleeps
come to-
12 hours like you sleep.
we come- Oh yeah.
Fish?
Fish.
It's for their prey.
Only, catfish. Catfish and this guy तो वो है इधर कोई ना देखा था ना आपने मिलियन
Flying foxes, they are kind of bats, right?
fruit bat.
Fruit bat. They eat fruits. They like fruits. And their face looks like a fox, and that's why it's called flying fox. Fruit bat.
मेन तो लेपर्ड है लेपर्ड
ये तो 10 वाग्या સુધી आता કેટલા વાગ્યા
8 आ गए
They-
7:55
हाँ 8 वागी गया ना
So what are you guys having?
soft tea and candy floss.
Candy floss बुड्ढी के बाल
Yes, in pink color.
enjoy
Thank you. We'll enjoy. Thank you. Break. We have walked so much today.
yes
So making her Josh high now. How's the Josh now? Hi. Medium, sir. Your
खिचू खावा भाजी है
hi, Tejas. Yeah, we have got such a nice kitchen. Yeah. Horror house. Tejas, something for you.
enjoy
Enjoy the thrill. It's like a never ending talao or lake, we can say. We have walked almost the entire lake. It's so huge and there are so many things to do. Like We cannot even imagine. There are like 2-3 zoos and butterfly park, and there are infinite children park, and there are horror houses. There are so many things to do. It's huge. It's huge. Very impressed by this. So we did boating over here. It's so good. I could not shoot at that time, but yeah, it was very good. It's only for 5. It's a 5-minute ride, but very good. Yeah. There are fireworks going on. Fireworks at Kakaria.
So where have you come for dinner?
Yes, to Sankalp. As you all can see it behind.
Okay. So what do you get there?
So hungry. It's known for its South Indian dishes. So you get really good South Indian. And we have like walked almost
8.5.
8.5 kilometers today, and we are hungry like crazy now. So let's go and eat. We have dad here joining us for dinner. Although we miss Kakaria. Hungry?
Yes.
Okay, let's eat. One, two, three, four, five, six. There are 6 types of chutney. I mean 5 types, but 6 ones. Guys, look at the butter slab given. Oh my god.
Yes.
Yes. Mysore sada.
Yes.
We have a pommes, and then we have sambar spaghetti.
Tamarind rice का थी ना?
Cream parlor in Ahmedabad on streets.
चल रहे हैं? चला रहा है.
Hi. So this is a breakfast spread today. Jalebi gatia from Bhavnagri. Yeah, this is Bhavnagri jalebi gatia with hot curry and papaya sammara with mirchi and strawberry milkshake made by mom. She got up early to make this.
ना जल्दी
Thank you, mom, dad, for this lovely breakfast.
This is the typical Ahmedabadi breakfast.
Yeah, he wanted to have jalebi gatia before leaving Ahmedabad.
Yes. The first day we had it and now we are having it on the last day.
Yeah, so happy.
Yes.
Now we are going for the lunch, final lunch at Ladli. This is Tadka Maggi and this is paneer. But what's the name?
Tandoori paneer.
Tandoori paneer sandwich. Okay.
Chili
Okay,
cheese
so the next
toast.
dish is chili cheese toast, and this is tandoori tikka pav, right? Yeah. Looks yummy. Can you open this and chew? There's so much of cheese inside. Wow.
Stuffed.
Stuffed with cheese and
Mayo.
yeah, mayo and tikka masala. That's what it's called, tikka pav.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Please Indira Gandhi.
Heading back.
Right.
Heading to the airport. So, heading to the airport again. End of the journey.
End of the journey.
Yes. Enjoyed.
डिपार्चर में सीधा मेरे डिपार्चर में पहला जो से गया
Ahmedabad was too good. So guys, this was the end to our Ahmedabad trip. Hope you guys liked all the 3 vlogs that I had put about our trip. And now it's a short recap in the form of all the pictures that you had clicked in Ahmedabad. Hope you guys like that as well. Thank you.